Hi friends, strangers, internet. My name is Emily Hanhan. I love colorful makeup and colorful language. I'm back today just playing with some makeup. I picked up this little Lovebird palette that is a Ulta exclusive Colourpop palette. It's a little 9-pan palette that actually has 3 pressed glitters in there, and that seems ridiculous, but I saw this in store and I was able to like swatch it, and I felt like it was actually a really nice combination of the Strawberry Shake palette and the Ooh La La palette. I don't own either of those palettes, and with the 20% off discount that I had for Ulta, this was like just over $9, so I figured $1 a shadow is a pretty good deal. Do you need this palette? No, especially if you have any of the pink palettes from Colourpop. But since I didn't have them and the glitters are pretty, if not extremely impractical, so I decided to pick it up. I've been loving super blushy looks, so I want to put together my beloved Mojave Mauve blush with this palette. I have kind of face products on. I think I'm going to do the eyes and then the cheeks. Let's go with that decision. I'm still kind of testing out this Makeup Revolution cut crease canvas as a base eye primer. I don't know if I have any strong thoughts yet on it, but I'm just gonna go with it for today. I tend to really spread it out and spread it very thin because I don't want it as tacky as it typically is, and this motion kind of takes down that moisture. This palette does not have a mirror in it, in case that is a deal breaker for you. I'm gonna use Flower Boy, which is the softest matte pink, just starting there. Side Chick, which is the second matte pink. So it looks like there are 3 mattes, 3 pressed glitters, and then 3 metallics or shimmers. I really like this infected blushy look. It's not sticking well right here, but my outer corner always has issues with the way the pigment attaches. One reason why I got this palette is for No Egrets, the darkest color. It just swatched so pigmented, and I love a pink and purple situation. So one of the colors that's in here, Ooh La La, is one of those annoying matte with sparkles in them. It's also super pigmented. So I think I'm going to try to apply it with a glitter glue on my lid to see what happens. Is that like my favorite color ever? Putting down Sing a Song on top of more glitter glue. This is like one of the warm pink metallics or shimmers. I think the color on that got a little mixed in with the first pink that I put on my lid because they're both on the same brush. So again, not my favorite, but I guess it's okay. More glitter glue on the inner corner and lower lash line and tapping it over the beginning of that pink. This color Peacocky is kind of already had hard pan on it, which makes no sense. Oh, what the fuck is going on? That is disappointing. I don't know what's going on, but the glitter glue with this shadow doesn't want to work together on my inner corner. It's almost like it's repelling. I don't know if the shadow is repelling the glitter glue or if my skin is repelling the glitter glue. Doesn't look great. That's really unfortunate. I decided to fix the problem in the least subtle way possible, and that is piling shimmery white and glittery white shadow on my inner corner on top of the pink. Let me do the other eye and then we'll go into blush, highlight, all of that. So I did the other eye. It's fine. I'm pretty neutral on this palette so far. We'll see. We'll see how they wear. I'm gonna at least wear them for a couple hours. The mattes seem okay. The shimmers seem kind of lackluster. We'll see. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna go pretty heavy with my blush and then play with highlighter and also some of the pressed glitters on my face. I'm using the edge of my eyeshadow as kind of a heavy spot for my blush too. Might as well do some kind of draped look. I use mostly matte blush for this look and just put the shimmery one like right here and on my nose. Officially feeling 80s fab. The thing I struggle with the most whenever I do blush draping is that I still want highlight, but I'm not really sure where to put it because sometimes it looks a little weird. I'm using this Colourpop highlighter. I use it in another video, but this video might go up before then. It's one of their new Disney ones. And then I'm gonna layer one of the pink highlighters from this palette. Probably this icy pink one on top of where I first put the Colourpop highlighter. So the inspiration for the last part of this look is from one of my glitter queens, Hannah Louise posted. I'm pretty sure she put glitter like all over her eye and into her cheek. I was really feeling the like into her cheek highlighter part of it. So I think I'm gonna start there and maybe carry it up onto the eye a little bit. Probably not gonna say much during this process since I've never done it before, but I'll try to see what I can catch on camera. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wow. Wow. That's my first time using one of the Colourpop pressed glitters. I had no idea they were that pigmented. Wow. Okay. I don't know what just happened there. Well, now I'm trying to, so now I need to decide if I want to do this on both eyes or just let it be a one eye thing. Fuck it. Let's just do it on both eyes. Okay, well, that's what happens when you put Indio and Cheap all over your eyes and face. Yeah, that's a thing. Since I don't go to Coachella or anything like that, I figure that's my take on the Coachella look. I also would not feel comfortable. I don't think I would feel comfortable putting this kind of glitter anywhere closer on my eye. So this placement is where it's gonna be for now. This look is not done though. I want to do a Vampy lip color that kind of ties in with the darker color on the eyes. Well, that is a vampy, glittery, blushy look for you. It's a look, that's for sure. That is for sure. What do you think? I don't know. I like it, but I also know how utterly ridiculous I look. It's okay, I like ridiculous. Thank you so much for spending a bit of your day with me. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to follow along with my colorful shenanigans, I would love to have you as a new subscriber to the channel. Like the video also if you enjoyed it, or dislike it if it wasn't your cup of tea. I hope to see you again real soon. Bye, friends.